Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send money to your bank account from direct Dasher, and this is actually very easy. What you need to do basically is head over to your direct Dasher app, and then you're going to tap on move money, and then you can choose like send money in that one, and then you're going to say to someone else, and then in add recipient you're going to put in all of the recipient details like the first name, last name, account nickname, which is optional, and the mobile number, and the transfer info will be their bank name, their account type, their account number, confirm the account number, and then their routing number. And then basically it should say that it's gonna and then you're gonna save it, and then it's gonna ask you who you want to save. So whoever you saved here, you need to tap on that person and click on confirm and send, and there you go. This is how you can do it. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next